Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of the flying seagulls. We are dedicated, one and all, for one purpose and one purpose only. Laughter!
Yes, we're going to fly through the sky.
High on the cabin.
We've got so much to offer at your birthday party.
What's happened?
No, sir, I have not seen a cow around here in these parts called Daisy.
Yeah!
No, stop, I'm not jumping to the ocean. Come.
Ahoy there!
What is it?
Oh,
go on, shoot yeah.
How many Batmen does it take to change a light bulb? None. You'll never see me.
Credit. Now, the most important thing for us is to make sure you laugh. And then the second most important thing to us is to make sure everybody laughs. And then you'll see we have what we call a laugh-olution. Once we have a party with you, it doesn't stop there. No, your laughter, your fun means we can take it round the world and make sure everyone gets to share it too. From Romania.
Albania!
Ooh,
Cambodia. Ghana.
Here in the UK.
Even on the other side of the world.
Anybody ready to dance?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Flying Seagulls at your service. The most important thing is you find your smile. You don't got no smile, you can't dance for a while. But turn this side up. Turn that side up. All right, now give me a yee-haw.
Yeehaw!
All right. Bye.